welcome to another video, and good afternoon from Delhi. I just arrived here last night from Kathmandu, and at the moment I'm at the India Gate, which is a huge war memorial dedicated to 70,000 troops who lost their lives, British Indian troops who lost their lives in World War I. The admission to this place was free, but this place is massive, so let's go check it out. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. So there's an entry point with security, but no admission though. Educational field trip, I'm sure. This thing is massive. To the dead of the Indian armies who fell and are honored in France and Flanders, Mesopotamia and Persia, East Africa, Gallipoli, and elsewhere in the Near and Far East Asia, and in the sacred memory also of those whose names are here. Looks like an eternal flame and an honor guard. Beautiful park. I was speaking to a nice young man whose father is in the military. Fortunately, his father's name is not on the wall here, but he was explaining the significance of everything here. Everything is by year, and then you have like the soldier's personal number, their rank, which isn't exactly English, so that's going to be like your lieutenant, major, things like that, name, and then the company that they fought in. I've been having a lot of people wanting to take pictures with me, which is something that I'm used to after living in China for a year. Although it's a little bit nicer here because they speak English. In China most people didn't speak English, and they would do it without asking. They would just run up and grab you and take a picture. But here they actually politely ask you, which is really nice. That is not the Eye of Sauron. It's just the sunset, pollution, and the memorial. Fighting on a glacier, 21,000 feet. That's it, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also check out all my other videos, including my Everest series, which I'm working on at the moment. But I'll see you guys next time.